Welcome to Raaonline, and I am Dr. Jay Kumar. Today I am going to discuss you on aminoglycosides from chemotherapy. Some of the common features of these aminoglycosides, okay, they have got similar pharmacokinetic parameters. That means they are orally not absorbed because, as I told you, they are all in the previous slide, polar substance. That means water soluble substance, so it cannot be absorbed from the GI mucosa. So you have to think about the other routes like intramuscular or intravenous route. And these drugs, they are mainly excreted unchanged in the kidney. Okay, so you have to be very careful in case of renal failure. Okay, you have to adjust the dose. And these drugs, no adequate penetration in the cerebrospinal fluid, so it is very it cannot cross the blood brain barrier to reach SESF brain, and so it is not possible to use in the case of meningitis. Okay, and it has got some common mechanism of action. That means all these drugs, they commonly inhibit the 30S ribosomes and inhibit the protein synthesis. Okay, so this is the common mechanism of action, similar pharmacokinetic parameters, and it acts only on the gram-negative bacilli, that is gram-negative organisms, these category of drugs. All aminoglycosides are ototoxic or nephrotoxic. Only difference is some will be more nephrotoxic, less ototoxic. Some drugs will be more ototoxic and less nephrotoxic. That is the main difference. So the common features shared by these things in terms of pharmacokinetics, mechanism, and the antibacterial spectrum coverage, and finally the adverse effects. Okay, so these are the common features.